So I've got this looking pretty good. Still have this low spot here to deal with. It's a little low right there, but this is all. I was having a tough time with some oil canning here. Kind of chased it up the panel. Ended up with a little, almost a hole there from my, I was using my, using the Unispotter to heat up the panel. That is where I burned a hole in it, I believe. Yeah, I actually burned a hole in that with the Unispotter. This old metal, I guess I don't know, I think there's a bit of rust behind there, and it kind of got hot and then it shrunk, pulled apart. Ended up with a hole there. So one of the things that I always realize that, you know, this is welded, right? And it looks good. But I want to show you something. I'm going to put a light in behind here. See that? There's a hole right there. Light shining through it. So I gotta weld that up. But anyways, this, I said that this was all low here. And you know, I put this planishing hammer on it, and you know, I can't remember what I paid for this thing, but I think it was like $300 or something. And it came with that other frame there. I think when you originally buy these things, or when they were originally sold, they came with 3 different frames. And anyways, I've got I think there's 4 different dies. But you know, if you can get your hands on one of these things, even if you had to pay $500 for it, like for the time saved and the way it brought this back for me, it was just like, it was just so easy. So anyways, well worth the money. And that's exactly what those things were made for doing this kind of work on cars like this, like in panels that were in place. So yeah, so I've just got a little more planishing to go here. There's a little low spot there, a little low spot there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do anything about that. I could run another little weld across, but I'm afraid to. I don't want to warp this again, so that'll be fine. I'll just clean that up before I fill it. Anyways, I do have to fill that hole wherever it is, because that's going to be a definite problem. So yeah, but pretty happy with this. You can see, look down, it's straight. It's nice. Put this straight edge on it, and it's, yeah.